Want to add friends in One Piece Bounty Rush but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to add friends in One Piece Bounty Rush. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select Friends from the options. Now choose Friend Search from the top of the screen. Then enter the ID of the player that you want to add as a friend. Now tap on Search button. Tap on Request button, which is on the right side of the player. Now tap on OK button. And that's how you can add friend in One Piece Bounty Rush. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.